RHW Management is the operations team that operates all of our hotels. We have 19 hotels from all of the major hotel companies, which would be Marriott, Hilton, Hyatt, IHG, and we have our 20th hotel on the way. When it comes to return on investment, we have found multiple areas in which Beekeeper has saved us resources, whether it be time or financial.
It became really evident how functional Beekeeper could be for the operations for us in the hotels. It helped us become more efficient, quicker to market with information, so to speak, and linked our teams together in ways they had never been linked together before.
Being part of the management company, I get to see a little bit from each brand, and then I get to compile it in a way that isn't brand specific and kind of create our own RHW best practices and share that out as a team.
We have a forum where we have all of our 19 properties with the RHW management, and so we can communicate with other hotels, we can communicate if we are close to selling out, so that way we can refer our other properties that are not sold out, which is great. So it kind of helps build not only our hotel, but our entire operation.
The biggest challenge I had before we ever got Beekeeper here was when we'd get service requests, we had paper requests that the housekeepers would fill out, but they wouldn't put those in the box until the end of their shift. So most service requests were a full day behind. All of our requests we use Beekeeper for now. So all they really have to do is just take a photo of what the issue is and tag a room number. It cuts out language barrier. With a picture from Beekeeper, we know right where to go.
Beekeeper is very easy to use, very intuitive. When we first got Beekeeper, a lot of staff was afraid that they wouldn't know how to work it, but it's very easy. It's a matter of 1, 2, 3.
Beekeeper mobile accessibility is a great tool for me. Being that I work the evening shift, I'm able to access Beekeeper prior to coming to work so that I'm able to know if there's any challenges or anything that I need to know prior to getting there.
With Beekeeper, it is so awesome because instead of posting a schedule every single week and constantly modifying it like other department heads, all I have to do is just post a link. Anybody can go into Beekeeper, they hit the link, they know exactly what their schedule is going to be next week.
We use it to take pictures for buffets to kind of create our standards as far as how it looks, and if we have a new menu item or something like that that we want to broadcast, this is how we're going to do it every single time. It's easy for them to look at it and use it, or even pull it to put in a book.
What Beekeeper helps us to do is keep our internal communication speedier, help our communications satisfy our guests' need for expedient service. And we do this by using the tool to get the information to the appropriate team member quickly, and then being able to follow up on that particular request so that we know it is completed so we can follow up with the guest.
I would 100% recommend Beekeeper to other hotel management groups. As a matter of fact, I have already called my former places of employment and let them know about this game-changing technology. And I think in the bottom line, for just the minimal cost that Beekeeper is, you save so much on a general manager's time and other management time just trying to manage your team.